What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I am a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. For today's video, as you can see by the title, I am going to be using my Made by Mitchell Feet on the Ground palette. I actually put in an order. I got the full collection of blushes, and now I have both of his palettes. The only thing left that I really want so far, that he's launched so far, is his brushes, but you know, bitches poor, so I gotta buy a little at a time. So I did purchase his Feet on the Ground palette, which I obviously used today to create this stunning eyeshadow look. I am so pleased with how everything came out. Also, if you've been here before, who notices what's different? Anyways, so yeah, I am only going to be doing my eyes in today's video because I really wanted to focus on the eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to do like swatches or anything like that. It's just going to be me doing a tutorial. So yeah, I also did use the blushes for this makeup look. I used Cherry Cola and Mango Daiquiri mixed together because I felt like that would give me the vibe kind of like my eyes. So yeah, if anybody cares. Yeah. So that is going to be today's video. If you want to see how I created this stunning eyeshadow look, then you already know what to do. Please keep on watching. Alrighty, so I am starting off as always by priming my eyelid with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm going to be taking my Made by Mitchell Feet on the Ground palette. I finally got my hands on it. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first shade that was just calling my name in this palette is this purple right here, which is called Tulip. It's this beautiful, like, purpley burgundy color. So it's the first shade that we're going to be taking. So I'm just going to take this on a dough color brush. And I'm just going to apply this all in this shape. So now that it's kind of lightly blended at the edges and got a nice color going, the next shade that I just needed to play in is this one right here, which is called Tiger Lily. And I'm just going to work this in little circles all on the outer edge of this purple. And this is a little e.l.f. brush. Just e.l.f. blending eye brush, I guess. So I'm just laying down the colors first, and then I'll go in and build them up like I always do. So there is quite a few yellows in both of his palettes. Honestly, I think they both have 2 yellows. This one's kind of like a chartreuse, like greeny yellow. This one's more of a vibrant yellow, and then this is like obviously like a lime green, but still in the yellow family, I feel. I'm going to take this one up here, which is called Orchid. I don't know what that means, but we're going to go in with that and just a more fluffy brush. And this yellow is so super pigmented. Like, one dip and look at that, like, color payoff already. Oh yeah, look at that. That is such just a vibrant yellow. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to blend the edges of that Tiger Lily shade with this yellow. And then after I'm done doing this, I'm going to go back through all of my colors again and really build them up. Make sure that they're all visible. Make sure that they're all nice and pigmented. Okay, so now that we got a pretty nice blend going, I am going to take, I'm going to take this purple right down at the bottom called a mood, and I'm just going to just deepen up this purple. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut out my crease with some Vaseline, and then I wanted a nice, like, similar colored base for that shadow. So I'm going to take the P. Louise, this is in Hint of Mint, the Basic Bright Collection, and then I'm going to take this, this is the Yummy Yellow, so this is her new yellow one, like it's like a pastel yellow. So I'm going to mix a little bit of these two together to kind of get this, it's going to kind of look like this kind of limey green shade. So yes, I'm going to cut my crease and then I'm going to mix these two bases. Okay, so now I'm going to take the purple brush with no additional product on it, and I'm just going to tap at these edges so that way there's not like a harsh line. I want a nice seamless blend going here. Now I am going to take this limey green shade called Bittersweet. So I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and just set this whole blue area. Okay. And then what I did, I kind of fucked up a little bit here because I went in with my finger and I like touched that. So we're not going to do that. I'm going to take this green, which is called Limeade, and I'm going to take it on a little tiny detail brush. Because like I said, I try to go in with my big, fat, pudgy fingers. And I'm just going to press this right here. Right where that purple and the green meet. Okay, so now I'm going to take the P. Louise purple base in Vivid Violet. I'm going to go ahead and do this liner. And then I'm going to take the first shade that we took, Tulip, and I'm going to go ahead and set that with that. Great, Jessica, great. Wonderful teaching there. So I want to keep everything nice and tied together. So I think I'm going to take the shade Tulip. I'm going to bring this right under here, connecting it. Okay, and then I'm going to take Tiger Lily. Essentially, I'm just taking the same shades from top and bringing them all the way around to the bottom. So now I'm just fluffing the yellow. I'm also going to take this yellow and just flick it outwards. Now I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I'm going to put this in my waterline. Take the shade Bittersweet. And I'm just going to set this. Yes, my love, what? Alrighty, so I just went on ahead and I applied my lashes, finished this eye obviously, and, you know, just finished everything up. My lip combo is the LA Girl or LA Color lip liner in mauve with just a Bare Minerals like pink gloss on top. I just wanted to keep my lips very like soft and subtle because I really wanted the main focus today to be my eyes. So yeah, what do you guys think? I know I didn't do my face makeup, but bitch, my face makeup looks good. Okay. I actually used, I think I already said this in my intro, but I actually used the Cherry Cola and Mango Daiquiri blush, and I've used the blushes a few times, and they're phenomenal. I absolutely love this formula. Definitely when he releases his other colors, I'm gonna be copping some, okay? But yeah. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know what other content that you guys might want to see. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and roll the clip.